Hello everyone, so today we have the square root of a plus the square root of minus a all equals to 4. So a is the unknown and we're going to solve together. Let's seek solution. This is a very tricky Olympiad math question, but I'm going to solve it using the simplest method possible. So stay tuned to the end because I will also verify the solution if it is correct in the end. So let's continue. We can rewrite our equation as square root of a equals to 4 minus square root of minus a. So for the next step, we're going to take the square of both sides, that is to the power of 2, also here to the power of 2. And if you do this very well, the square and the square root will cancel out. What is left is a. And here, this is equals to 4 minus square root of minus a all to the power of 2, and we are fine. But this very one is in the form of a minus b to the power of 2, which is represented as a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. So if we apply this here, and the next step becomes a equals to 4 to the power of 2 plus square root of minus a to the power of 2 minus 2 times 4 times square root of minus a. Thank you for watching our videos. I will invite you to click on the subscription button to subscribe to this channel. Also like this video to promote us. Alright, let's continue. The next line becomes a equals to 4 to the power of 2, that is 16. And here, the square and the square root will cancel out. What is left is minus a minus 2 times 4, that is a, times the square root of minus a. If we take minus a to the left hand side, it becomes a plus a equals to 16 minus 8 square root of minus a. So a plus a, that is 2a, is equals to 16 minus a times square root of minus a. So we're going to factor out 2 here so that 2 will cancel out 2. That is 2a will be equals to 2. 16 divided by 2, that will be 8 minus, and here will be 4 times the square root of minus a. Close this bracket and we are fine. And here, these 2 can cancel out. What is left is a equals to 8 minus 4 square root of minus a. Rearranging this, we can have 4 square root of minus a to be equals to 8 minus a. And again, we're going to square both sides so that we have left hand side to the power of 2 and 8 minus a also to the power of 2. But m times n to the power of 2 is equivalent to n to the power of 2 times m to the power of 2. We're going to apply this here. And again, a minus b to the power of 2 is represented as a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. This is the form of this, so we're going to apply this here also. So the next line becomes 4 to the power of 2 times square root of minus a squared is equals to 8 to the power of 2 plus a to the power of 2 minus 2 times a times a. So if we simplify this further, we're having 16 to the square root of minus a to the power of 2 equals to 8 to the power of 2, that is 64, plus a to the power of 2 minus 2 times a, that is 16a. But here, the square and the square root can cancel out. What will be left will be minus a times 16, that is minus 16a, is equals to 64 plus a to the power of 2 minus 16a. So that minus 16a can cancel out from both sides, and our equation remains a to the power of 2 plus 64 equals to 0. A to the power of 2 therefore can be written as minus 64. Taking the square root of both sides, that is, square root of a to the power of 2 is equals to plus or minus square root of minus 64. And if we do this very well, the square root and square will cancel out. What will be left will be a, and this is equals to plus or minus square root of 64 times minus 1. And the next line becomes a is equals to plus or minus. The square root of 64 is 8, and square root of minus 1 is I. Therefore, a1 will be equals to plus 8i, and a2 will be equals to minus 8i. And these are values for a. To verify this value, from our original equation, square root of a plus square root of minus a is equals to 4. Let's consider the first one, so that the square root of 8i plus the square root of minus 8i will it be equals to 4. If we take the square of both sides, that is to the power of 2 and also to the power of 2, then we can consider this to be in the form of a plus b to the power of 2, which is represented as a squared plus b squared plus 2ab, where a is the square root of 8i and b is the square root of minus 8i. So if we agree on this, the next line becomes square root of 8i to the power of 2 plus square root of minus 8i also to the power of 2 plus 2 times square root of 8i times square root of minus 8i, all equals to 16, because 4 to the power of 2 is 16. And if we solve further, the square root and square will cancel. What is left is 8i, plus here square root and square will cancel. What will be left will be minus 8i plus 2. 8 times 8, that is 64, times minus 1, and times I, that is I squared. Everything equals to 16. So here, 8i and minus 8i will cancel out. What is left is 2 square root of 64 times minus 1 times I squared equals to 16. And the next line becomes 2 square root of 64 times minus 1 times minus 1. I to the power of 2 is minus 1. Everything equals to 16. Minus 1 times minus 1, that is plus. So the next line becomes 2 times square root of 64 equals to 16. So the next line becomes 2 times the square root of 64 is 8 is equals to 16. And 2 times 8 is 16 equals to 16. So it is true that the value of a1 equals to plus 8i satisfy the equation. You can try this out on your own. Thank you for staying tuned. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.